We're at a cleanup duty today, working on the Brinkerton ovens, part of the Hester Coke works out in Westmoreland County. These cook ovens are in really good shape, but it's the time of year that you don't do anything to them. They just get buried in the wilderness. Kind of give you an idea of our progress in the first 4 or 5 so far. We're able to re-expose the beauty and the architecture. On the left you can see the original stone arch. On the right is a rebuild, probably during the war, or I had heard that this ran all the way up to the 70s. We're at the Brinkerton ovens with Mr. Standard.
All right, here we go.
Cleaning out the ovens, baby.
Ready? Watch yourself.
Rock and roll.
Do it. Might want to watch yourself.
We're good. Yeah, baby. Couldn't see these when we started. Here's an example of a intact trunnel hole leading down into the oven. 8 foot high and 16 foot diameter. You can see the bee of the beehive made with these curved bricks. This is our work after 2 hours of tearing away the brush, cutting down the scrub trees, trying to clear it away. All labor. This is what 3 hours of work looks like, exposing the ovens again. What's great about the Brinkerton ovens is most of them have nice faces on them. The later versions were rebuilt with cinder block and brick, but this one has the original stone. It's a nice example versus this. This is the result of about 4 hours work. We still have trees to cut and move away, but when we started this morning you couldn't even see any remnants of these ovens. And it's one of the nicer compact sets. This is part of the Hester Coke works, the Brinkerton ovens, Westmoreland County. All the saws are working at one time. It's the fruit of our labor.